Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela Obadeiru Chairman ke Regional Committee ke West Giant Hills Ubak Singa Balang Dhar. Upentip Basyan Unra Banyakren Bat Chairman ke Assam Regional Committee. Banyapan bet halor ke jingiakynad Badangshan. Hakish nong Lapangap. Kabahab hapuk kajaka yakajia hakandulip siar sektor. Katba kini ki arjela kidang wad ikilat kilinti. Ban pun kut nok sisendan yakakam yakajia pun. Ngan saya keren bat ucaman ke Regional Committee na Assam, bat ngin sasyim ya ka rai ban pentikna ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsingan, kat bang idang up ya ka jinga penbet ka bane hapdeng kini ki arjela, ong ubak singa balang, haba keren syakilat petai kubar. Haba penpau ba ka jinga keren penbet put ha ka wat ka baar, kadang ya syakman. Deputy Chief Minister, ula ong kat ba patla ban penbet ya ka kam ya ka japut, ka jingiakynad ha ka tan kanam kut satya. Lada ki Assam Regional Committee kilong ki balapan kre ngin sa pelong ya kajinga keren ha kanu kuno kapor ula benram. Kat kum kajing ong ka jong u ka kandulip siar bat ka block 1 ki deina pedeng ki henriu teli ki jaka ki badan ha kajinga kajia ya ki ba endang ya penben. Bat ula kula ru baka sorkar kala shim kia bha na ka benta benya penbet no ya kana kam ya kajia pun. Watla kata kan shim kum bakat tu kan ya por namar ka dei kamat kepala sateng la selamba. Habakali, Deputy Chief Minister, ula ong banakaliang Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hills, ula dapan IT ya ke kaipot siya ke Regional Committee, bat ya ke kaipot jong ke Regional Committee, on sa IT siya ke sorkar jela, hadian bangila syong jingalang na baro arliang. Uba singa balang ula pelong ke jinglet jungo siya Lapangap, kabahap ru hapo ke nartiang konstituensi, kaba umi kman, ban bishar benya, ya ke jinglong jingman, bat kulari kinong syong snong, bana kaliang ke sorkar, kan sapak kambun ki bor pulin, na kabenta ke jingsngan, bat menpene ya ke suk kasan. Ngikwa bakim day ban don syuk kino kini ki jingja. Kumba kalong menta ka jinglong jingman ha ka ni katan kala jai laong da ka babenram baling ba ka jingkar pa jung kinong syong snong na kaliang ka sorkar kala pa syuk kambun ki bor pulen ban pentikna ya ka jingsngan ha pedeng kinong syong snong. Katu kat ne na ki brio jongi kim nuot syuk ban let shala ki jong ki penthor ka ba. Ngalabatha ya Deputy Commissioner ba unkot ya ka jingalang ba kinong syong snong na ka benta ban penbet mardor ya ka ni kam. Kim day satya ban syak pendik haba kilet sya ki jing trejing ta ki baman kasngi hapo la ki jong ki jaka puta benrap ubak singa balang.
So now is normal. Yesterday we just visit along with the DC and SP and the other officials from the district administration. Just visit because as of now everything is okay. There is no more tension in the area. So that's just also at the same time is my own constituency. So just visited to meet and to create a confidence with the people of the area especially. And also I assure them it's a full protection from the government for their safety. No, actually that area is it falls in that the candidates here. It has falls in that areas of different. So yeah, we have to discuss to take a final call on that. So when they request the government to put a force there 24 hours and we did it. And point number two, that is a little bit not in order, so some of our people who are still having a party feeling that side they are still fear to go on for their activities. So we only instruct the DC bodies to have a meeting with the local people to solve this matter at the earliest possible. They should not be disturbed to attend their activities daily in that respective area. Thus, our force is still there and Assam is still there. So at least to avoid anything happening. Both sides, when the force from Meghalaya is there, Assam is also there. So at least maybe when things normal, things as well now, both sides forces there, from Meghalaya side and from Assam side also. Discuss because as is that area before nobody goes do any activities there, so at least we have to discuss. We know the regional committee is there, so we have to discuss with both the parts. So until and unless the final border issue is solved, so it will remain unsettled only. So let's see. Yeah, part of the second because that is falls on that candidates area. Yeah. So, it is yet to be discussed. Yeah, this one I thought I will be having a discussion with the other counterpart with the respective chairman of the other regional committee from Assam. So when they are ready, so from my side no problem, can be anytime. Obviously. even I told my DC is always intact with them. There should be nothing should be unfortunate incidents. They are updated every now and then, and that's why as of now the situation there is normal, nothing so yes, there is some Paris level, but also at the state level. So first I will try to connect with the other chairman and company from that side, and we will take a call. We will try to make things normal as usual. While we are waiting for the permanent solution to Border issue. So no, that we have to make fast. The reports only show from DC. That is the report only. So about the report regional committee, after we see only we will show to the state government for the committee. So Ratachara is already done.
Yes.
And this one can lives here and block what? Two. Happening in this border is not only now, right from the day one, from the last so many it was there. So that is one of the reasons government is taking this very serious issue to solve this border issue. That is the main cause. So at least we would like to solve this once for all. So seeing this long pending issue, which is for the last 50, 60 year issue, so it will take some time. But anyway, from the government side, we are really serious on this issue.